In this video, I am going to show you how to record in portrait in OBS Studio. So you can see that by default we have this landscape video. If you want to go and change this to a portrait video, I am going to show you how we can do this. So first, you just have to click on the file option here and then click on the settings option here. And when you are in the setting option, then you have to click on the video here. And here you can see the aspect ratio option is 16:9 and resolution is 1920 into 1080. So I need to change the aspect ratio from here. So you need to change the aspect ratio by typing here 1080 into 1920, and then the aspect ratio will get changed. And then again you have to click on the apply and then OK. After that, you need to adjust the screen from here and it will directly convert into portrait video. So that's how you can directly change the record in portrait in OBS Studio. Thank you very much for watching this video.